Alright, so I'm out here on my side yard at my shop. It's early in the morning before anybody else shows up. And this push mower came in yesterday. It is less than a year old. Troy built Briggs engine, 550E, the standard engine. And they said it was it did run, but it was knocking and smoking and making all sorts of kind of noise. And well, it's missing pieces off the muffler. I checked the oil, and that's a problem. It's burnt, and it is like paint almost. It's like black paint with little flakes of metal in it. So then I come over here to the air cleaner, and what do I find? No air filter. And what else do I find? A whole bunch of dirt and stuff caked around the air cleaner. And so I took the air filter cover off, and what do I find? A whole bunch of dirt and junk caked around the air cleaner, and the rings and the cylinder is so scored up in this motor that there is a ton of oil coming out of the crankcase port right there. And you can just see how bad this is. So yeah, this mower is no good, and it's less than a year and a half old, and they need a new motor. Yeah, don't run an engine without an air filter. Don't run anything that pulls in air without a filter. It is there for a reason. If you run a small engine without a filter, and it sucks up all this dirt and stuff that you see everywhere, and it goes right into that motor, it's like taking sandpaper to the insides of the motor. It doesn't work that way. So yeah, this mower here is done for. It'll still run, but it knocks and smokes just like the customer said. And plus, they're running it with a severely bent blade. It wouldn't surprise me if a frame was cracked, and the cause of this muffler guard breaking off was because of a bent blade. So yeah, take care of your equipment, and it'll take care of you, and it won't end up in the scrap yard like it's about to, because the customer does not want to repair it. Anyways, I figured I'd just do this little video here to show the consequences of what happens when you run a small engine without an air filter. Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye for now.